Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today, for some reason, I got a second package of free seeds for the seed project. So, each community garden will get their own package of all of the seeds. So, that's what I'm doing with them, seeing that I wasn't supposed to get two packages. But I did, so I'm going to definitely make sure each community garden gets their own. And I also got my Jiffy Mix recipe book, and it's got such really good recipes in here to use the Jiffy Mixes with. Ooh, honey corn dogs, yum. So yeah, this is just some of the recipes that are in there. Ooh, snickerdoodles. And old-fashioned peanut butter cookies. Whoops, that just happens to be some of the recipes that are in there. So yeah, there's a ton of recipes in there. The book's fairly thick, and it was free. So if you're interested in it, not sure when this video is going to go up, but I know that there was a community post up about it, so hopefully everybody that got it, that wanted it, that got it. So alright everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.